biscuits are real. What's going on, my SafeMoon astronauts? It is your Captain RJ coming at you with another SafeMoon update. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and cover some Reddit posts, we're going to cover some Twitter posts, and we're going to go over just general mindset and open discussion on the latest SafeMoon news coming out. If you guys are new to the channel and you find yourselves smiling, if you find yourselves a little more enthusiastic, if you find yourselves a little fired up about SafeMoon, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button down below, as it does also help this video and this channel find other SafeMoon holders such as yourselves and other SafeMoon holders out in the abyss. If you guys haven't already, follow me on my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardonis. We got a few things to discuss, such as a few words from our CEO that I want to go over. He tweeted a quote which is very interesting that I kind of want to dive into. So without further ado, let's bring you guys over to the flight deck. Welcome to the flight deck. Going on over to our pricing. At the time of this recording, our global crypto market is up 2.50%. Bitcoin is up 3.86%. Ethereum up 1.40%. Binance up 2.25%. Cardano up 0.08%. XRP up 2.24%. And Dogecoin down 0.74%. SafeMoon down 1.47%. putting us in the 2689 area. I just want to remind everyone that in general trading, so I am an investor and a day trader as well, it's always healthy to have a small pullback after a big day, simply because when things start to go parabolic and things start to rocket, it just becomes unsustainable. We always want a nice gradual uptrend when it comes to long-term sustainability. Moving on over to our report or not SafeMoon daily report. Let's go ahead and expand this a little bit. If you guys are new to the channel and you want to know what SafeMoon is about, you're more than welcome to pause and read this little blurb about SafeMoon. I'm going to scroll down to my favorite section, which is the crypto market fear and greed meter. If you are a long-term viewer and subscriber of mine, then you know that I've been quoting Warren Buffett since pretty much my debut. I've always quoted Warren Buffett simply because, like I said, I'm an investor not only in real estate but in the stock market and a day trader as well. So as I was educating myself in the stock market, the style of investing that I learned was value investing, which is the same style of investing as Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. If you guys don't know who Charlie Munger is, he is the right-hand man of Warren Buffett over at Berkshire Hathaway. And so learning about investing and learning about the stock market and learning about value investing, Warren Buffett obviously gets brought up a lot when I always fire off his quote, which is, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. I truly abide by that, not only in my real estate investing, but in my stock market investing as well. Now I've transferred over that type of knowledge and that type of mindset over to cryptos, because if you guys remember, not even a few days ago, this meter was over here in the extreme fear section. And having a nice visual aid on what the general market is thinking definitely helps, because that is the time things are on a discount price, meaning whether there's a lot of fear in the housing market, whether there's a lot of fear in the stock market, that's when prices are at their lowest, and that's when they're at their most discounted price. So to give you guys an example of this value style investing and what I'm talking about when people need to be greedy when others are fearful, 2015, Chipotle was trading at $742 a share. They then got hit by an E. coli outbreak, which then plummeted their stock from $700 a share all the way down to about $200 a share. There was a lot of fear in Chipotle at that time. If you've educated yourself on how to evaluate a company and how to evaluate a stock, then you know that Chipotle was not going to go bankrupt. This is what you call in value investing an event. Every stock that you like, every company that you like will eventually go through an event. And this is Chipotle's event. So 2015, they got hit with E. coli. There was a lot of fear. People started selling off. And now, guess what? Be greedy when others are fearful. So if you bought at these prices, you got Chipotle at a massive discounted price. Now, as the market returns, as the confidence comes back in Chipotle and people are no longer fearful, guess what happens? It started climbing back up to $300, $400, $500, $600, and then it's back to where it was 2015. And it's continued trading all the way up to $900. And then, of course, $900. This was just before the pandemic. And of course, guess what? The pandemic hit. Boom. Instant fear, and it dropped all the way from $900 to $500. That's almost a 40 to 45% decrease in price. Now you would have gotten Chipotle again at a almost close, let's just call it 50% discounted price. And if you bought at that time, now guess where Chipotle is? Boom, $1,800 a share. That is a perfect example of value style investing. So when we take a look at Report or Not's report here, and we see that everyone is fearful, that is my time to buy. That is when an investor truly purchases. You don't want to purchase at all-time highs. That's when FOMO kicks in. That's when people lose money. But when you get in, when others are fearful, that is the best way to get in on anything you want, whether that's the housing market, that's the stock market, or that's the crypto space. Just keep that in mind. As you guys know, I love to educate people on financial education because I feel like this is such an important topic, and the financial literacy and financial education I feel like was just not taught in school, and you needed to like either be born into it or learn about it from someone that knew about it. So I'm super passionate about financial education. So keep that in mind. Be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. My boy, Warren Buffett. Heading on over to the Twitter space, our boy Thomas, aka Papa, did retweet the FUD Hound. I have vetted, I have audited. The SafeMoon team means well. They are the real deal. I'm privy to everything they have / will be building. I'm excited and have accepted the offer to join the SafeMoon team. Rocket fuel just got injected. I don't know how everyone feels about the FUD Hound, but another member has joined the SafeMoon team. Heading on over to SafeMoon's official Twitter page, if we scroll down here, there's several videos. One, here's the process of how the SafeMoon wallet began. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. Obviously, they were started working on the login, how to sell, how to buy. This is the initial IT architecture. Here's the home screen. They wanted to build calculators, NFTs, things that was going to be in the wallet itself. First announcement was made on May 2nd. The closed beta testers was on June 15th. We are now looking at the open beta testers for Android August 7th. And they're saying next is full access global launch. So something really quick on this, as you guys have already heard about my previous hypothesis and my calculated theory on when the wallets were going to launch. When we had gotten to about early July, and for sure by the time we got to mid-July, I was releasing videos stating that based on my professional expertise of being and working in the IT field, I was expecting more of an open beta by the end of July, just based on how long it took to knock out the closed 500 beta users. It took about a month's time, right? And so we're now looking at the next phase of this, which is Android beta testing with 10,000 users scheduled and slated for August. Now, if we take a look at the previous data, it took the closed beta about roughly a month. Let's just call it a month. A month later, in August, we are now going to do the 10,000 users for Android. If I were to give you guys an educated guess on how long this will take, I believe the Android open beta for 10,000 users will take just as long as the closed beta testers, so roughly about a month. I'm still excited, as you guys know, working specifically in the mobile device management field. I do have both Android and iOS devices, so hopefully I'm one of the few that get chosen, and that way I can go ahead and do some screen recordings and show you guys and give you guys some content. I'm super excited. Hopefully positive things for any of the YouTubers and content creators out there, so at least we can get to see it. Our boy Hank Wyatt, keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you too can become great. Mark Twain. I really dig quotes, guys. I don't know if it's because of my lack of creativity. I've already told you guys this in the past. My brain is an engineering brain. It works logical. I can troubleshoot, I can fix things, but because of that, I lack in the creativity side. So I love art, I love quotes, I love things because I can't create them myself. But this is an awesome quote. And if this is from Hank Wyatt, let's head on over to John Caroni. He also has a quote: all men dream, but not equally. Those who dream by night in the dusty recesses of their minds wake in the day to find that it was vanity. But the dreamers of the day are dangerous men, for they may act on their dreams with open eyes to make them possible. So let's kind of deconstruct this. So this was obviously written on a different time frame because we're gender equal here. So let's just reconstruct this. Everyone dreams, but not equally. Those who dream by night in the dusty recesses of their minds wake in the day to find that it was vanity. So this is pretty much saying everyone pretty much dreams, right? But people that just go to sleep dreaming, they wake up to find that it was pretty much inevitable. Nothing really happened. It was but a dream. And they didn't act on anything. Nothing came to fruition. The second part is, but the dreamers of the day are dangerous, for they may act on their dreams with open eyes to make them possible. My take on this is obviously people that dream with open eyes, people that physically look around and search for opportunities and take action, make those dreams come true. And so this is why it's important, and this is why I try to educate people and be a little optimistic when there's a lot of FUD going around, that this is an opportunity, I believe, of a lifetime. I believe that to my very core. And so I want to take you guys really quick on the crypto prices here. So let's take a look at the generic prices of the crypto market. If we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been down 28% in the last 90 days. Ethereum has been down 16%. Binance has been down 43%. XRP has been down 52%. And Dogecoin has been down 18.99%. We look at others lower, like Polkadot is down 56.60%. But if you look at the year to date, all these cryptos are up. Bitcoin is up 32.72%. Ethereum is up 211%. Binance is up 723%. Cardano is up 622%. XRP is up 170%. Dogecoin is up 3,482%. So when I say during the last 90 days, things has been on sale because everyone has been greedy, this is the kind of market that was hitting the stock market during the pandemic. Things were going on a massive sale, and that is the best time to purchase. So everyone, make sure you guys keep that in mind when it comes to treating cryptos as a value investing company. And I'm like I said, guys, trust me when I say this, that I believe SafeMoon to my very core, and I'm putting every dollar amount I can without being reckless. I invest towards SafeMoon because I believe in this company, and I believe they are here to change the world and to change this space. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys haven't already, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button down below, as it does help the YouTube algorithm promote this channel and this video to find other SafeMoon holders such as yourselves and other potential SafeMoon holders out there. If you guys haven't already, do me a favor and follow me on my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardonis. A lot of good updates, some sideways consolidation in price after a big day like yesterday. So that's always healthy when there's sideways consolidation, even a little bit of sell-off after a big day for crypto such as yesterday. Some more clips of the Android beta on Twitter and some quotes from our SafeMoon team. I hope you guys have a good rest of your... Is it Tuesday? I hope you guys have a good rest of your Tuesday. If you guys have any other questions, just please post them in the comment section below. As you guys know, I absolutely love answering them and having a full-on conversation with everyone, even all the fudsters out there that just can't wait to troll the comment section. And with that being said, I will see you guys on the next SafeMoon video next time.